to ensure that we have enough facilities. Asking the government to ensure that those facilities that were closed to be reopened immediately so that drivers could be tested. We also need these certificates to be issued within a given timeline. For example, the certificates should be given in 48 hours. When drivers are tested, they take more than 48 hours. They take close to 6 to 7 days. So this does not impact well on traders, on transporters. So we are requesting the government to make sure that they facilitate the issuance of these certificates in good time so that the drivers can embark to their journeys and do the transportation. 3, I'm also asking the government to deploy many health staffs so that drivers can be tested in time. We have got so many drivers and most of them are not being tested. We are also asking the government to ensure that these certificates, when they give them, they should be able to extend the validity period. 14 days is not enough. 14 days is too late for us because when a driver makes a journey to Kampala, coming back 14 days have elapsed. So the driver again is required to test. So we are saying this test is very delicate, the nose is very delicate, and we don't want these multiple testings. So we are asking the government to consider extending the validity period of these certificates. Again, we are asking the government to consider recognizing other certificates, even from our neighboring countries. Because what happens today is that Kenyans do not accept certificates from Uganda. Tanzanians are not accepting certificates from Kenya. So we are asking the member states to adopt, to have an agreement that whichever country that has issued the certificate, this certificate must be accepted across the Eastern African community.
Na masuala ya kwamba ni lazima 1 July itakuwa ndio container zote zapelekwa Naivasha. Sisi kama First Action, muungano wa wafanyabiashara, tunatafuta advice hizi kwa lawyer wetu na tutapeleka masuala haya kotini kumzuia Bwana Macharia asilazimishe container zianze kupelekwa July huko Naivasha. Kwa hivyo tuko hapa leo na Mheshimiwa Abdulsamad. Kama vile kawaida yetu tunazunguka kwa viongozi wote kuwahimiza masuala haya wayaingilie. Kwa hivyo sisi leo pia tumekuja kuomba msaada kutoka kwa mbunge wetu aweze pia kuingilia masuala haya ya COVID, sababu wanaoathirika wengi sana ni wakaazi wa sehemu ya Mombasa County. Wengi wa madereva ni wa Mombasa County. Kwa hivyo sisi tuapel pia kwa viongozi wetu wa kisiasa wayaingilia maneno na kifua kama wale viongozi wengine wa sehemu zingine wanavyoingilia maneno yao kwa sehemu zao.
So not only is the CS for transport going against the constitution of Kenya and the laws of Kenya, but he is also openly violating international rules, international standards of free trade that have been signed by the Republic of Kenya. Not only is this unspeakable for our country, but is also embarrassing and demeaning to us as a nation that we have a cabinet secretary who is operating with impunity to violate internationally accepted standards of transporting cargo. So we want to speak openly and clearly to say that as a community, as a people, as a nation, we cannot allow this to happen. Our constitution is very clear that trade must be free and every client must choose the transport they want to use. It is like telling all Kenyans who want to travel between Mombasa to Nairobi to only use SGR, for example, that they cannot use airplanes, that they cannot use their own personal vehicles, that they cannot use any other means, but to only use SGR. That is the equivalent that the CS Macharia is trying to enforce in this country. And as a free people, as a free nation, we shall